The world says, hey, when someone hits you, you hit them back harder. An eye for an eye. You got to get back. Give them what they deserve. Karma, what goes around comes around. Jesus is saying, no, we're not doing that. He says, if someone hits you on the cheek, give them the other one. Don't return evil for evil. He says, give people good when they give you evil. Here's the reality. When we react out of the flesh as Christians, when we, with our mouth, say we're Christian, but we act out of the flesh, we misrepresentate Jesus to people. And then because we misrepresent Jesus to people, then people get a bad taste in their mouth about Christianity and God. It's easy for anyone to just be nice to people that are nice to them. It's easy to just do favors for people that do favors for you. He's like, it's challenging to serve people knowing that you're not going to get anything in return. It's challenging to love people knowing that they may never love you back. It's challenging to do these things. But when we do these things, how do we do these things? How can we love our enemies? How can we serve those and expect nothing in return? Well, we need the power of the Spirit of God to give us strength because we're selfish human beings. We can't do it on our own.